In this lecture, we will talk about the Internet's original design principles. These design principles were discussed in the paper reading for today, The Design Philosophy of the DARPA Internet Protocols by Dave Clark, dated 1988. The paper has many important lessons, and we will go through many of them as we revisit many of the design decisions. Before we jump into any details, let's talk about some of the high-level lessons. One of the most important conceptual lessons is that the design principles and priorities were designed for a certain type of network. And as the Internet evolves, we are feeling some of the growing pains of some of those choices. In the last lesson, we talked about a number of the problems and growing pains with the Internet. And it's worth bearing in mind that many of the problems that we are seeing now are a result of some of the original design choices. Now, that's not to say that some of these design choices are right or wrong, but rather that they simply reflect the nature of our understanding at the time, as well as the environment and constraints that the designers faced for the particular network that existed at that time. Now, needless to say, some of the technical lessons from the original design have turned out to be fairly timeless. One concept is packet switching, which we will discuss in this lesson, and another is the notion of fate sharing or soft state, which we will discuss in a subsequent lesson in the course.